Kylie Jenner, a modern icon of empowerment and success. At just 24 years old, Kylie Jenner has carved out a monumental legacy in the realms of business, fashion, and social influence. Rising to prominence through her family's reality show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Kylie quickly leveraged her fame to establish Kylie Cosmetics. What began as a line of lip kits evolved into a global beauty empire, propelling her to become one of the youngest self-made billionaires. Beyond her entrepreneurial prowess, Kylie has used her platform to champion authenticity and self-expression. Kylie's influence extends beyond beauty trends. She actively supports causes like women's empowerment and social justice, using her voice to spark meaningful change. Kylie Jenner's impact reaches far beyond business success. She embodies a new era of empowerment, encouraging her audience to embrace their uniqueness and pursue their dreams relentlessly. As she continues to evolve her brand and explore new ventures, Kylie remains a beacon of inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and influencers worldwide. In a landscape often dominated by fleeting trends, Kylie Jenner's enduring influence stands as a testament to the power of authenticity and determination in shaping a lasting legacy.